Welcome to another RV tips, tricks, and how-tos with Tommy, Winston, and Louie.
Hey everyone, this is how to set up Starlink at a campsite. You'll be amazed by how quick this is, and we have no cell signal. We're down in a ravine in the middle of Arizona by Sedona. Now we want to let our folks know and our family know that we've made it here safe. We need Starlink signal. First thing is check for some sky. We see some sky. Here's how to set up Starlink. Follow me. There's only a few pieces to Starlink. This is a Gen 2, but this is the 100-foot cable. This is the base stand. This is the dish that sends and receives the signal. And there's one more piece, which you'll see in a minute, the Wi-Fi router. So the first thing to do is plug the cable into the dish. It just slides up until you hear a little bit of snub. Second thing is put the feet on the base. There's a little groove there that it slides in. And it clicks. There it clicks. So we're going to go set it on the table here. Right there. We want the base to be sturdy. You can bungee it down or something. You don't really need to. It doesn't really fall over, even in strong wind.
Ask us how we know.
Exactly, we've tried it. Follow me to plug it in. So ours has this little pass-through in our basement storage for water. So I'm passing this cable through. And we have a plug-in right in there. You can see, so that's where the Wi-Fi router is going to get power. Here's the Wi-Fi router. This actually, Starlink, it represents the mission to Mars that SpaceX is trying to do. It shows the orbits that Earth and Mars need to be in for the astronauts to make it there. But anyhow, nothing's powered on yet. You just plug the cable. It only fits one way because this diagonal. Plug it into the bottom of the router and then plug in the power. This reaches about 60 feet, I'd say, the Wi-Fi signal. So definitely reaches all of our travel trailer, as well as maybe neighboring travel trailers if you're traveling with friends or family. So I'm gonna just kind of tuck this in here, and a little bit of cable management done. Not too good. That's it. So let's go look at the dish. Let's just keep focus on that for a moment, and it's going to orient itself to the optimal positioning to find as many satellites as it can. So we shall see. Let's see, it's gonna go straight up for a while to try to find where it is. I'm going to show you in the meantime in the app what it looks like. Go to Starlink, and it's showing entering Starlink network, so it's facing straight up. But in the app it shows if there are obstructions, but it does not show that yet. It'll build a map over the next hour or so to see if there's any tree branches or something and how badly that's affecting the signal. But that's the app. It's really easy. You don't do anything, it just sets itself up. It wasn't able to get a completely clear view of the sky, so it wasn't able to determine its best orientation, but I'm just going to move it slightly. So looking straight up from here, there's a lot better view of the sky, so it should be able to orient, and it should tilt itself straight up in a moment, looking for the satellites again. Got a little bit of Starlink troubleshooting, right? So now it should be able to see where it is. It usually takes about a minute maybe for it to calculate the best orientation. By the way, you can see it does show online, if you can see that. And it does have a signal already, so you can actually go to the internet already and you can search traveling with Terriers. Oh, there it goes. It's trying to orient. Let's watch. Oh, and that's the orientation that it wants. So that was Starlink setup at a campsite. We will show also how to stow Starlink on the next video.